Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy PEIPEI token. So we all know that PEIPEI token is different, but this one is this that spells like PEI and it is based on the Ethereum network. So we are going to buy this one. So over here you just have to come to coinmarketcap.com, and here in the search bar you need to type this spelling, and then you will be able to find the new PEIPEI coin. Over here, click on the markets tab, and then it will show you all of the exchanges as well as the decentralized and the centralized exchanges on which you can easily purchase it. If I click on CEX, it will show you all of the centralized exchanges, and if I click on DEX, it will show you the decentralized exchanges. So for this video, I'm going to use Uniswap. So I'm on the official website of Uniswap, that is app.uniswap.org. So once you are on this page, you just have to simply press the connect button in the top right hand corner, and here you can connect any of the wallets that you have. So let's say I select my MetaMask wallet, so I simply click on MetaMask, and after waiting for some time it will show me the connect button. So you just have to simply connect your wallet with it, but first it is asking me to provide the password. So I'm going to enter my MetaMask password over here, and then you just have to simply connect your wallet with it. After doing so, you just have to simply click on the select token option here, and after selecting it you just have to use the search bar, and here in the search bar you need to search for PayPay. Once you do this, you will be able to find this coin, so you just have to click on it and press I understand. Then you just have to enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to spend in order to purchase the new PayPay coin. Then you just have to simply scroll down and click on the swap button. Here it will also show you the gas fees and bunch of other information relating to this particular transaction. So you just have to tap on the swap button, and this way your transaction will be initiated and completed, and you are going to get it in your wallet, which is my MetaMask wallet, because I have connected my MetaMask wallet with Uniswap. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.